Ever feel like your brain is overflowing with ideas, but you just can't seem to organize them? What if you could turn any messy thought, long YouTube video, or PDF into a beautiful mind map in literally one click? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're looking at how to use GitMind to create AI mind maps in 2026. If you haven't heard of it yet, GitMind is an AI-powered mind mapping, flowchart, and whiteboard app that is designed to act as your AI second brain. It's built to turn chaos into clarity, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to supercharge your productivity. So how does it work? When you go to gitmind.com, you aren't just getting a blank canvas. GitMind features an advanced AI workspace. This means you can upload documents, PDFs, images, or even drop in audio files and YouTube links. The AI will automatically process them, extract the key points, and instantly generate structured mind maps and visual summaries. For students, there's an image-to-text extraction tool that lets you take photos of handouts and turn them directly into organized notes. Teachers and professionals love the article summarizer and the presentation mode, which lets you turn your mind maps into dynamic slideshows instantly. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, GitMind is incredibly versatile and loved by over 10 million users worldwide. It holds impressive ratings like a 4.8 on G2 and a 4.5 on Trustpilot. Users like Emily, a university student, say it saves them hours of study time by perfectly summarizing complex videos. For an honest look, while the overall platform ratings are exceptionally high, detailed independent third-party reviews are currently a bit limited in our sources. However, the user feedback we do have shows that the learning curve is incredibly low, making it easy for beginners, though advanced power users might want to spend some time exploring all the different diagramming and flowchart tools to get the most out of it. Getting started is simple. Just head over to gitmind.com. You can start for free. Once you're in, choose whether you want to start with a blank mind map, use one of their pre-made templates, or let the AI do the heavy lifting. If you use the AI, simply upload your source material, like a website link or a document, and watch the AI map out your concepts in real time. You can then customize the colors, add nodes, or use the built-in AI chatbot to answer questions and brainstorm even further. Whether you're a student trying to ace your exams, a teacher planning lessons, or a professional mapping out your next big project, GitMind makes the entire process effortless. Have you tried using AI for mind mapping yet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and head over to gitmind.com to try it out for yourself. See you in the next video.